Again, this is the Urban Plant Grower with you, wishing you a good day, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. At nandito tayo sa harap ng aming bahay in the front yard at meron po tayong taniman dito. At bibigay ko po sa inyo ang latest update ng ating replantation ng marketed or air-layered avocado fruit tree at kasalukuyan pong namumunga na. Para malaman po natin kung ano na nangyari, anong developments ng ating itinanim or replanted, air-layered or marketed matured branch of avocado fruit tree. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, ito na po yung ating na-replanted or regrown na marketed or air-layered matured branch or avocado fruit tree. At yan, at maliit lang po yan at hindi siya ganong kalakihan. At ito po ay nakatanim sa medium plastic drum with garden soil. Ayan, yan po ang kanyang puno. Oh, napakaliit lang. Ayan oh. At tumutubo na siya ng maayos at kasalukuyan pong namumulaklak at mayroon na siyang bunga. Ito ang kanyang mga bunga, oh, ayan. Ayun pa, isa pa, mayroon pang bunga doon sa taas. Ayan, malaki na. Ayan, oh. At healthy naman siya at may sign of maganda na yung pagtubo niya. Nabuo na ang kanyang mga bunga. Ayan, oh. Malalaki na siya. At ito po ay 1 month replanted na mula nang ma-harvest natin sa kanyang main tree. Kaya tuloy-tuloy na yung kanyang pagtubo. Ayan. So napakaliit lang ng puno niya at nabubunga na. So ito po yung ating latest update after 1 month of replanting or regrowing ng ating na-harvest na marketed or air-layered matured branch of avocado fruit tree. So ito po ay nauna ng 1 month sa kanyang main tree sa pagbulaklak at yung kanyang main tree ay nagbubulaklak na rin sa month of January, pero ito nagbulaklak siya in the month of December. Kaya makikita nyo malalaki na yung kanyang mga bunga. Oh. So it will take around 5 months bago siya ma-harvest from flowering stage to maturing ng kanyang mga bunga. So it will take around 150 days or 5 months para makapag-harvest tayo ng matured fruits ng avocado fruit tree. So tignan po natin yung kanyang main tree at namumulaklak na rin siya at ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? So guys, ito po yung main tree ng avocado fruit tree na pinanggalingan ng ating na-harvest na marketed or air-layered matured branch na na-harvest natin last early week December. Ayan. So mapapansin nyo po ay may mga bulaklak na rin siya. Ayun oh. Pero nitong January 2024 lang siya na mulaklak compared doon sa ating na-harvest na marketed or air-layered matured branch na may bunga na at namulaklak na during the early days of December 2023. So ayan, halos lahat ng kanyang mga branches ay may mga bulaklak na. So dito po natin kinuha yung ating na-replanted na marketed or air-layered matured branch at na ilipat na natin doon. Naitanim na natin doon sa medium plastic drum with garden soil. So dito po yun nanggaling. At mayroon pa rin tayong mga na-market dito or air-layered matured branch. Ayan, yung iba ay may mga ugat na rin. At in few weeks ay pwede nang i-harvest din. Okay? Just to give you some idea kung saan ang galing yung ating kinuha na ating na-replanted or regrown na marketed or air-layered matured branch of avocado fruit tree. Okay? So as I have said, it will take around 150 days or 5 months para mag-mature yung kanyang mga bunga from flowering stage to maturity of the fruits. At napaka-delicious po ng bunga ng avocado fruit tree. At ang bunga po nito ay umaabot ng ½ kilo yung isa pag fully matured for harvesting. Okay? So, yan lang po ang aking latest update for the month of January 2024. Okay guys, so if you did like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. and hit the bell button so that you will be notified for my future uploads in my YouTube channel. Again, this is the Urban Plant Grower with you. Say thank you very much for watching all my videos and bye! A good day to all.